Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here, SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and trading strategy. The last 3 days we are seeing about the hourly breakout stocks that was giving you such a good result, and I'm going to discuss and analyze how it is working today. So these stocks which I sent on my telegram at exact time of 10:15, because that 9:15 to 10:15 candle we are going to use some breakout trade. So that was working good and well. So many of them are asking about the scanner. Sure, I'm going to provide you the scanner, so you will be make use of the scanner. So what are the stocks which is filtered by the scanners today, and that I already shared on my telegram. So I try to give me a alert on real time on my telegram, but what happened today, some alert setting may changed, so that's why you cannot get that exact stocks, but you got all the stocks like 9:35, sorry, 9:45 and 10 o'clock. So what are the stock which is present here, it will never ever repaint. Okay, so you can backtest this strategy that was working good and best while I'm providing the scanner. So here, that hourly breakout stocks giving you such a great um, intraday trade opportunity. Even we can try to trade in positional also. So today's stocks are MRF, Stars, REC, Chamber, Bharat Petroleum, and Gujarat Gas. So these are the stocks which we get alerted by that scanner. And I think you got in my today's Telegram channel around 9:30. So what happened here? So this is the stocks which we have got it from 10:15. But these are the stocks which is our GSPL, REC, GoForge. So these are the stocks are removed. So because of the alert were changed, because whenever the candle closed by 10:15, there is a confirmation. But I set a alert by 30 minutes time frame, so that's why we got this much of stock. Right, but 30 minutes also it's working good, but I'm not back tested at around 30 minutes. I did it with a 1 hour time frame, that is working good and well. Again, once again, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel. So let me see, these stocks are filtered by the scanner. One is a MRF, so let me try to see that MRF what happened first. But it is a high value stocks are not recommended to trade in intraday, but it works well. An MRF, this is the trade point where from this, so let me try to do it. This is what my entry point, this is my stop loss, and if you are making a 1:1, 750 point is the stop loss, and the 750 moves more than that. Just a second. It's a long position or a short position, it went long. It was not. We will use the price range. Exactly, we got a 65,125 is the entry, and 63,700, somewhere around 1,200 points should be the risk for the trade. And from there it went up to 66,300, almost 1,200 point it moved. So but the stock is not good for intraday because it is always trading with a gap while we are placing the orders, some 100 point gap between the trade. So that is works well. As in the first candle, whenever it breaks the high, we are going to take a buy. Whenever it breaks the low, we are going to take a sell. That is the condition, right? And the second one is star. Let me try to take a star. What happened here? Maybe it stop loss initially and then reversed back. So the first trade, maybe you are getting a sell entry around 309. So because it is breaken the low, so 309.75 is the sell entry. Once the stop loss around 315.75, once the 315.75 is broken, we are going to try to take a opposite options, opposite trade. So that is our 315. It went and closed by 394 rupees. Initially we lost near about 6 rupees, and we got a recovered back around 4 rupees. That was a loss trade where 2 point we are ending with the loss. And the third one is REC Limited. But tomorrow you will be getting REC. It gives you sell entry and the big stop loss of 3 rupees, and the lot size is very big. But even though it is giving you sell entry, and it not triggers you entry by the next candle, and it went higher and it is closed by loss around 1.5 rupees, ending with the loss. This is what the another one. Again, it is also be closed with the loss, but it never triggers your stop loss. If you are using hourly time frame, so can we run the position also until the stop loss is not get. And third one is chamber fertilizer. It's also not giving you entry. This stock is not given you entry, and it given you buy entry. So this is what a buy entry around 387. We have the stop loss around 377. So 10 rupees and closed by 380. So this is also be closed by 8 rupees loss, and it is not a or not triggers your stop loss. This candle low is 377.15. This one is 377.2. So the sell is not activated. The buy call is activated at this point, and it is triggers you till it is ending with the loss. And again, one thing, so if you have to remember, whenever a trade before taking the trade, you know what is the risk, and the candle range should be your stop loss. If the risk is very big, so don't go for a trade and wait. If the risk is suitable to you, so you can place the orders, or else you should just avoid the trade, right? And finally, Bharat Petroleum and Gujarat Gas, BPCL. Yeah, BPCL given a sell opportunity and it moves well. So the risk for the trade is 38 to 46, almost 8 rupees or 7 rupees is, and it triggers you around 11:15 candle, and it fall down towards 331, almost 7 rupees is generated. If you are following with the 1:1 risk reward ratio, it already given you the target, and again it coming to the entry point. If you are holding it, it is a cost to cost close. But if it, I mean, if you are using a 1:1 target level, it is already given you the target. So that is what another stock that works well. And finally, Gujarat Gas, GSPL. So based on that, this is also giving you a sell entry and works well. Among some 40-50%, it is working good. So if you are managing some good risk reward ratio, be the best. And what is the risk for the trader? 68 to 76, almost 8 rupees, and it went down till 61. Almost 5 rupees is generative, and at the end of the day it is closed with some 1 rupee profit, but it not trigger your target. So we took some 6 stocks. My MRF works good. This was fails, and this is not good. So this was okay. Bharat BP and Gujarat Gas also okay. So when you are playing this, so according to the market condition, you can select some stocks that will work better in intraday, and positional also we can plan. So this is the idea, but I'm going to give you the scanner in soon. This is what another opportunity where we are going to focus. Now I modified the alert, so you will be getting this stocks which is scanned by the scanner, and you will be getting on the Telegram group around 10:15, exactly 10:15. What are the stock which is filtered by this, and we will be getting. So some other stock which is the same method, we are using on a 30 minutes, right? So that alert we are sending on the 30 minutes. So we find some stocks like REC, GSPL, GoForge, like that, which is happening. The stock which is not available here, one is SCL Tech and GoForge, and SCL Tech and GoForge is the stock which is not available here. But this was filtered by 30 minutes at 9:45. So let's see these two stocks on 30 minutes, GoForge and SCL Tech. Let me try it out. Once the 30 minutes breakout happen, so what will happen? Let me try it. SCL Tech. Let's see the stock. I'm going to right now 30 minutes. So perfect now. This is what the entry point, and uh, almost 16 points stop for the trade, 1126, and the high, the lowest 1110 is almost 16 point, and it went up to 1161, so almost 30 plus point, 34 points it went up in SCL Tech. So that is what a signal which is triggered on 30 minutes time frame. And the second stock which is not available here is GoForge. Let me try GoForge. What happened in GoForge? You are reducing, that is also works better in GoForge. The risk for the trade is 4598, 4481. It's almost 100 point risk, and after that 46 it went up to more than 100 point. 30 minutes also working better, but I'm not checked it out on a 30 minutes. Today I got a by mistake alerts, but that is also providing such a good opportunity. Same thing which you can see on 30 minutes. Let me see star on 30 minutes. What will happen? Minutes it gives you sell entry, and both the sides it was triggered, and MRF the first 30 minutes it works well. The chamber potential REC first 30 minutes low broken, and it is same like that an hourly chamber fertilizer 30 minutes not broken, and the high same like that. Hourly and 30 minutes not a big difference, but some stocks were uh, not satisfying the conditions, they will be removed, like SCL check and go for satisfy the condition on 30 minutes, but it is not satisfying the condition on hourly. That's why it is removed from this. But you will be getting tomorrow the same kind of list, exact list you will be getting. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you liked it, share to your friends. If you have any questions, just comment on the comment box. Thank you so much. Thanks for your support. Thank you.